The Elleci Deluxe sinks we are showing you in this video could easily be presented with a single word, electrosinks. But we think they are worthy of a better introduction because the combination of water and electricity revolutionizes our old conceptions of the washing area in the kitchen. Let's start with the Max 1000. Max 1000, the kitchen electrosink in composite material with integrated electronic functions and extremely innovative design. Thanks to its 120 centimeter length, it is easy to install on standard kitchen bases. It has a depth of 68 centimeters at its narrowest point and 73 centimeters at the curved frontal part. The washing block is characterized by very large basins, having a capacity of 90 liters of water. The block is made in our three exclusive materials, Vitrotech, Metaltech and Granitech. On the back of the electrosink, we have a very easy-to-clean accessorized area, equipped with a small drainage tray for dishes and glassware, a soap dispenser and a flatware holder. Using the control panel you see here in front, we can regulate the functions of opening and closing the SIR, an acronym for Scarico ad Ingombro Ridotto, space-saving drainage, an innovative and patented system that optimizes the space below the electrosink thanks to its limited size of 5 centimeters. As a result, there is more usable space inside the basins because the grill drain, replacing the standard drain, is placed laterally, allowing for a greater flow of water, 60 liters per minute. The system of overflow is also inside the SIR, giving it better aesthetics and functionality. The SIR is composed of just a few elements, making it easy to install, but above all, easy to clean. The control panel also regulates the flow and temperature functions of the electronic mixer tap, optional. We can do the same from the commands on the faucet. The display will glow red when dispensing hot water, blue when dispensing cold water. Keeping the central button pressed, the flow of water will change from rain to an aerated spray. On the right side of the electrosink, we find the eco-functional zone that includes the dissipator, the basin for the ultrasound washing system, and the used oil aspirator. This area is controlled by these 5 keys on the front panel. Why ecological elements? The dissipator, more commonly known as the garbage disposal unit, since it is connected to the drainage system, reduces up to 60% of the food waste. So there is less garbage, but also fewer unpleasant odors in the kitchen. The ultrasound washing system enables more thorough cleaning of food and objects, not only kitchen utensils, but also jewelry, eyeglasses, baby bottles, without the addition of detergents. The system takes advantage of the mechanical action of the water thanks to emissions of high-frequency waves that guarantee perfect cleaning. This means lower water consumption, ecological washing, and better cleaning. The water load is activated by pressing the button on the panel, and once activated, stays on for a maximum of 45 seconds. For safety purposes, there is also an automatic overflow mechanism that blocks the flow of water as soon as it has reached the full level. Not everyone knows that 1 liter of cooking oil pollutes 10,000 square meters of water. With this element, we can avoid polluting the environment by throwing oil down the drain, and also prevent the pipes from blocking up. The aspirator is connected to a special collection tank located below the electrosink and equipped with a level sensor that emits an acoustic signal to alert the user when the preset full level has been reached. When full, the container can be removed and the oil can be taken to a collection center for used oil. or to any petrol station. Used oil can be recycled to produce soap and biodiesel. Shut-off buttons, number 1 and number 3 for total block. What you see here is the Max 900, the electrosink similar in functions and aesthetics to the previously presented Max 1000 model, but with the difference that it is the built-in version. While the Max 1000 rests on a 120 centimeter base, this model was designed to meet the need of installing the electrosink, also during substitution, into a recess of 116 by 51 centimeters, about the standard size of a normal electrosink, with 2 basins plus drain board. The back of this electrosink has obviously been reduced in size, meaning the accessorized zone has been eliminated. And since the product has less depth, there is also no used oil aspirator with this version. Developed and designed by David Stolfi and Daphne Dilber of ADD Studio in Rome, this electrosink is the overtop version of the Dogma project and revolutionizes the concept of the washing area in the kitchen, thanks to its innovative design and more. Let's discover why. Its flared shape makes it unique, stylish and simple. Thanks to its innovative shape that uses a standard recessed hole measuring 84 by 48 centimeters, we obtain 94 centimeters in length, thus increasing the capacity of the basins. Because the SIR is installed on this model as well, 90% of the space below the electrosink is recovered, enabling the Dogma 100 to be installed on cantilevered peninsulas, or in any case, to be able to use all of the cabinet under the electrosink. Moreover, as you can see, this type of installation, raised above the countertop, makes it possible to have a bicolor electrosink in the kitchen for the first time. The SIR can be electronic, controlled via keyboard, or mechanical, controlled by small mechanically operated pistons. The same applies to the mixer tap, electronic, controlled by joystick, or mechanical, controlled by a mechanically activated knob. The joystick you find between the 2 basins controls both the electronic mixer tap for regulating the flow and temperature of the water and the opening and closing of the SIR drainage system. According to the temperature of the water, the joystick glows red, supplying hot water, and blue, supplying cold water. The hideaway mixer tap can be stored under the electrosink, and by using the available covers, you can have 5 solutions in a single product. With easy little gestures, Dogma 100 changes into 5 versions to be used according to need. A double basin electrosink, a double basin electrosink plus cover, a single basin electrosink plus cover, a double basin electrosink plus 2 covers, a double basin electrosink with flat surface, closed. The electrosink and the collar, made of exclusive Vitrotech material, are available in the colors black 86 and white 96. Always attentive to the most modern needs, with the aid of accessories, Elleci has made the electrosinks true, functional work centers. The flexibility of Dogma 100 is in fact due to the wide range of accessories that give an original touch to the kitchen. Related to the Dogma 100, but not inferior, the Dogma 90 model is the standard version of the project and has the same functions as the Dogma 100. Joystick or knob for the mixer tap, electronic or mechanical SIR, hideaway mixer tap. The difference? The particular shape of the basins enables the Dogma 90 to be inserted into a 900mm base.